What should you do if your airbag light is on? Welcome to Mercie J Auto Care, where compassion and craftsmanship come together. I'm Rick Smith. Now, just so you know, the airbag light is a supplemental restraint system, or SRS. So in the event of a collision, the bag deploys and helps assist the seat belt so you're better protected. Now, when that light's on, that means the system is disabled, so there's something wrong. It's very tempting to not address it because you can just continue to drive the car and it doesn't matter unless you're in an accident. But I'll share with you a personal story. I was working on my mother-in-law's car for an engine misfire problem, and while I was in the bay, I noticed that that light was on. I was tempted not to fix it because I was tired and too busy, but I went ahead and fixed it. I actually found a broken wire. Within a couple of months, she was in a very serious accident, and it's questionable whether or not she would have survived if the airbag had not been deployed. So if you want my advice, if your airbag light's on, find out what's going on and get it fixed. Thanks for watching, and until next time, safe travels and blessings to you.